Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit, I'm gonna stay.
Hey guys, we're here in Belize. It's a resort here in Buruanga.
Salem style coming through. When it comes around, you know what to do.
We're here for a quick getaway lang kasi birthday ni Father. Sa ibang location naman tayo guys. So we're here at Belize, Buruanga. It's a 3 hours drive from our hometown, Roa City. Maliit lang siya na beach, bago siya. And I'll show you the drone shot and also the facility. It's very nice. Medyo mahirap lang yung papunta kasi if you have your own car, mahirapan ka talaga. If you're from Jetty Port, I'll show you some instructions dito kung paano pumunta dito. And kung magkano na rin yung pwede yung babayaran sa tricycle papunta dito. If ever, tapos ako dito sa resort, meron naman dito front desk. They will help you call pabalik dun sa Jetty Port. This is just a day tour guys. Mabilis lang kami dito. We had a quick glimpse sa beach. And then meron din sila pool. And they also have some rooms here for family and also for couples. Meron din silang maliit na restaurant guys. Nandito kami ngayon. We're just waiting for our food and kasama ko sa nanay, tatay, and si Mot. Sorry, medyo subog. But anyways, hope you come here. Pag makita nyo guys yung basketball court, merong daanan na papapusok. Dito na yan. Huwag na kayong umakyat.
Yeah. No.
No. Diretso lang. Naligaw-ligaw din kami dito. Grabe. So, sabi sa amin dito ng mga lokal, it might took us around 25 minutes yung lakad. And may mga bahay-bahay pa naman. Yeah, we'll put the location here. Kasi hindi nila alam na Nakita Falls yung tawag dito. Kasi nakita lang namin sa Google. And we thought na madali lang daanan, but mahirap pala. Dapat pag pumunta ka dito guys, habal-habal talaga kayo. Baka magkontrata kayo ng mga habal-habal drivers. But if you have 4x4 car, okay lang naman. Tumaba yung dogo, guys. Tumawid din sila sa... Tumawid din siya po. Tatabi din siya. Oh, hindi niya kaya. Umuwi na siya. Yung isa na lang. Diyos ko guys, nawala kami. Meron palang isang way. Which is, dadaan ka pala sa river. Wala naman kasi, wala kasing sign. Kaya sinundan lang namin yung path. Dire-diretso. Ayan, umabot namin sa bundok. So ayun, medyo nawala. Buti na lang may tumulong sa amin. Oh, si kuya. Alright, so we're on the right track na guys. Pabalik na tayo. Hindi na kasama yung isang dog. Nasa Ponsa kami guys, finally. Medyo nawala pero dito na. Maganda dito guys, oh. Parang same siya sa Abra. Pakita ko na lang. Ayan. So ganyan yung parang hawig niya. Pakita ko na lang yung kaya ko makuha. Kasi medyo mahirap sa angle na to eh. Mahirap sa angle na parang ganyan eh. Try ko kung makakuha ako ng drone shot guys. Daming tatalon dito eh. Yan o. Sisitalunan sila guys. Doon.
This is awesome. After hiking. Ay, grabe.
Sabi guys. Laban.
As in, yung first time nyo dito, need talaga ng guide. Nawala-wala kami kanina. And finally, nakapunta sa falls. But, walang sinabi na kailangan palang, ay, extreme.
Guys, itong waiting shed guys, yung palatandaan, paakyat.